In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to efficiently use Google Keep to store and organize your images. Google Keep is a highly versatile note-taking service that allows you to manage your thoughts and tasks effortlessly. One of its great features is the ability to add images directly to your notes, which can be incredibly useful for visual reminders or storing important photos with your text notes. So let's take a detailed look at how you can make the most out of this feature. First, you'll need to open your web browser and head over to Google Keep's website. Simply type Google Keep into your search bar, or you can directly enter the URL keep.google.com in the address bar. Make sure you're logged in with your Google account to have access to all your notes and settings. If you're new to Google Keep, you'll be greeted with a clean, simple interface designed for easy navigation and organization. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout, because once you start adding images, it will help you manage them more smoothly. On the main screen, you'll notice a plus icon or an option labeled Add Note. Click on it, and it will open a new note window. Here is where you can start adding content, but today our focus is on inserting images. Look for the image icon, which is usually represented by the silhouette of a photo or a little mountain icon, just like the icon you might find when uploading photos elsewhere on Google platforms. Clicking on this image button will prompt you to select the images you wish to upload. Now, when you click Add Image, it's time to choose the images you want to include. A file browser window will appear, allowing you to navigate through your computer's files. You can select one image or multiple images at once by holding down the Control key on Windows or Command on a Mac as you click to select them. This feature is particularly useful if you have several images related to a particular project or idea that you want to group together in one note for easy reference. Once you've made your selections, click the Open button, and your chosen images will upload to the note. With Google Keep, you don't have to worry about losing image quality. Your images will appear in the same high resolution as they were on your device. This feature ensures that any details captured in your photos remain visible and clear, making them just as useful as physical notes. Now that you know how to add images to your notes in Google Keep, you can use this powerful tool to keep your digital life organized. Whether you're drafting ideas, recording visual brainstorms, or simply storing your favorite snapshots, Google Keep gives you the flexibility and ease you need. Embrace the convenience of having all your visual references just a click away, and say goodbye to clutter. Thanks for watching, and I hope you find this guide helpful in making your digital organization more effective.